Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but I've been working a lot behind your back. If you've been following me on Instagram, you'll notice that I was sharing some stories that I'm working on my outdoor space. And I'm so excited to share the end results with you. But it's more fun to pass through the whole process.
Our garden is our favorite space in our home. We mostly spend our time outside as of the end of March till the end of October. We planted Eugenia and 22 Leylandii trees back in 2017, and they grew up so fast. The flooring is mostly covered with a layer of gravel, and underneath it geotextile and soil. Unfortunately, lots of bad grass grew during the winter season in the area where we plant our fruits and veggies. Last year was our first harvest. We planted tomatoes, cucumbers, strawberries, bell pepper, and lots of other fruits and veggies. This area needs a serious makeover. And finally, our tile zone, where we usually put our ping pong table or practice yoga. So let's get ready for the garden restoration.
So chic.
First thing first, we had to remove all the grass from the gravel and from our planting zone. It wasn't the most pleasant experience, so we had to enjoy a small picnic to change up the mood. Finally, we packed all the grass in bags and then to the bin. Our jungle was gone, and the results were satisfying. The next step was to spray the soil with a product to dry out the leftover grass. We had to cover our thyme plant so it won't get affected. To use it, we measured 1 cup of the product per liter of water.
Let's do this. مش قادرة أركز إلا على البوت تبعك.
A week has passed and the grass became yellowish. Now it's the right time to prepare the soil before planting. planting area is successfully ready to be planted. Now let's move to the flower bed. Last year we planted some flowers and plants, but I admit the flower beds look so messy and it needs some care. So I cut out all the yellow leaves. Do you remember the crimson fountain grass we planted last year? It grew up fast, but it surely needs some love after winter season. Finally, trimming the top of the Eugenia tree is a must in order to stimulate horizontal growth and get a better shaped tree.
So that's it for this week. Next Wednesday, I'll be sharing the planting process of our garden. So like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you next week.